Tea tree oil can be directly used on skin, unlike other essential oils which may burn the skin. It is a mild essential oil. Can you use tea tree oil for dark spot prevention and treatment? We will take a closer look at the properties of tea tree oil to understand whether it helps with prevention or treatment of dark spots or both. We will also discuss how to use it effectively for dark spots on the face and other skin areas, so stay tuned to the end. Dark spots on the skin occur due to excess production of melanin on certain parts of skin. They are caused by aging, hormonal changes, sun exposure, acne scarring, insect bites and wounds caused by cuts. A 2006 study published in Clinical Microbiology Reviews found that tea tree oil has both anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. A 2017 study published in Australasian Journal of Dermatology found that tea tree oil can improve mild to moderate acne with no serious side effects. Tea tree oil with its antioxidant, antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties can help prevent dark spots, also known as sunspots and age spots. Its antibiotic capabilities kill the bacteria that could otherwise cause skin blemishes. Its anti-inflammatory capabilities help to prevent dark spots by sun exposure and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. There are many more studies which also confirm the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory capabilities of tea tree oil. This is sufficient evidence for tea tree oil to prevent dark spots usually caused by inflammations of the skin due to sun damage or acne scarring. There is no scientific evidence that suggests that tea tree oil can fade existing dark spots. However, people who use it believe that it does. If you have acne or minor cuts or wounds, then using tea tree oil to treat them will speed up the healing process without leaving scars or dark spots. Although most skins can tolerate 100% pure tea tree oil, it is still recommended to dilute with a carrier oil and use it. You can dilute it with coconut oil, which is also an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory oil. Add 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil and 5 teaspoons of 100% pure virgin coconut oil. Mix it and fill it in a bottle. Apply it with a cotton swab on the acne, minor cuts or bruises twice daily for several days. When the acne or wound heals, it will not leave a dark spot. Bottom line is, tea tree oil can prevent dark spots, but whether it can fade existing dark spots is still not known. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.